has a metal U-ring that locks into a recess at the rear for secure fastening. This is the anti-linkage protective sleeve we just removed. The decorative panel on the top of the main body is magnetically attached, and the rear counterweight can be pulled out. The model comes with a built-in 5000 mAh 3S lithium battery with an XC30 connector. On the right side, you can also see the hydraulic distribution valve bank mentioned earlier in the equipment compartment section. Before turning on the power switch, always ensure the remote control is powered on. Inside, there is also a metal nameplate engraved with the model number and the serial number. After powering on, the LED display in the cab will show the model's voltage, temperature, and hydraulic pressure.